Good morning, kababayan. This is Joanne, and I'm here with exciting news to share regarding a loan program that's made for families or sellers or homeowners who are looking to upgrade into a larger home. You may be living in a condo or a townhome and you would love to be in a property that's detached and has a bigger backyard, or maybe you're just moving from one county to another within Los Angeles or Riverside County or wherever in the state of California or out of state. This program works for everyone. The loan program I'm talking about is called the Home Swap Program, and it allows a homeowner to purchase right now, buy right now, and sell later without the contingency of you selling your house first. How's that? So, what will this solve? This will solve sellers' problems of potential homelessness, maybe, and winning bidding wars, and not having to go through a home where showings are ongoing and repairs are ongoing. So, if this sounds like this is something you need, like buy now and list later, please contact me or direct message me so I can share the program details with you. Thank you so much. And if there's anybody else who may need this information, please share. I'd be glad to help them too. Aloha.